Furry, the little penguins that could. Written by Ann Yurchek and illustrated by Jody Culp. Chapter 8, Ready, Set, Go! One day, the air felt a wee bit cooler. Autumn and the first day of school had arrived. The Stuffies' job to help the new littles would soon begin. Our stuffy senses told us the children were coming. The children were coming! We felt the rumbling of the yellow boxes on wheels. We felt teachers' shoes clomp, clomp, clomping. We heard the littles' voices. The littles are coming! Rabbit hopped. Pack, pack, peeped Chick. Stand tall, Giraffe yawned. Think hard, hooted Owl. The littles are coming, Beaver's tail slapped. Be kind, bawed Lamb. Cuddle up, grumbled Bear. Be brave, roared Lion. The littles are coming, Squirrel scurried. Play fair, woofed Puppy. I sense they are almost here, said Bat. Be on time, added Rooster with a cock-a-doodle-doo you can do, and a ready, set, go. Teacher opened the door, and the classroom was perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 children walked into the room. The littles looked scared and happy. Then they looked happy and scared. At first, they quietly walked around like Bear. They looked here and they peeked there. Kindergarten was very new. New can be full of the feeling of butterflies flying in your tummy. The Stuffies were glad the children were back. Almost every little had somebody with them. Mummies and daddies and grown-up people of all sorts. When it was time to say goodbye, some were very sad. Many of the mummies and some daddies had kindergarten tears, just like the littles. I sense another child, said Bat. Suddenly, in rolled the boy. There was my friend. He came back. He came back. The boy came back. My stuffin' muffins did backflips while I sat on the shelf. I hoped someone would come to get me so I could make him smile. The Penguin kindergarten classroom now had 16 children. Ready, set, go, Stuffies! The new year has begun! Stuffies jumped up from their baskets and out of the drawers. The children pulled Stuffies from behind closed doors. Other Stuffies flew off the shelves, and I sat. Soon all the littles were playing and talking to Stuffies and each other, all except the boy in the rolly chair. He sat quietly without his smile as his grown-up watched him. He's all alone, squeaked Mouse. We can help him, whispered Hedgehog. Who will help? Hooted Owl. I will, said I, the little gray penguin.